Johnny and Brayden stuck. Look at this. Brayden is stuck. Good job, Marley.
Marley!
Good job.
I have an itch on the exact part.
Try to get out. Try to get out.
He likes my eyeball.
Marley. Come here, girl. Oh. Brandon, can you even get out?
No.
How did you even get trapped in that?
I don't know.
Oh, he knows.
I didn't even go to school today, guys.
Either.
You didn't go to school?
No.
Wow, we should have met outside.
Cut either.
Huh?
Cut either.
Why? They're sick? Yeah, I was sick too.
Oh! I gotta get out.
You get out.
Oh god. I can't.
Look how stuck it is. Okay, now you can get out. You have a chance. Oh! He's dragging him!
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Oh gosh, guys. Wait.
Stop! God, please.
Oh! Come here, girl! Oh, wow.
Good girl.
Come
good
here.
girl.
Come here. Oh, come here. Here's a treat. Does it hurt a lot? Come here. Come here.
It's a snake
Good girl.
bite.
Come here. Come here. Come here.
Stop. I gotta get out.
Yeah, it's a shit. Oh, oh, he tried to get out. Marley didn't let him.
He got out.
Oh,
Oh.
finally.
Look what she did to my foot. Look what she did to my foot.
Honestly.
She scraped my foot.
Huh. Can you see that, guys? There's like a wide little line right there.
No, it's a big one. Look at that mark.
I can see. Oops. Oops. She came back.
Wait, one more.
Yeah, guys. It's kind of awesome, guys.
She is.
Brayden was so stuck. That's why I was gonna record it. And you guys, I got a new haircut. Wait. Got a haircut. You can't really see it. Got a haircut, guys.
Look at you! Look at you! Let's get Sammy in.
Foxy.
Molly!
Yeah. Oh, whatever. You guys couldn't see that. But... Okay, guys. So I'm gonna end the video here. See ya. Bye.